What a beautiful day!
The best day!
Come here, my dear. Group hug. Look, everyone! Over there!
Wow, what is it?
Let's go see!
Yeah! Look at the stars! They're so beautiful tonight!
They are, sweetie. It's a magical night. A perfect night for stories.
Yes! Can I help bake the cookies?
Of course, sweetie. You can measure the flour. Yay! Thank you! I love you so much, sweetie.
I love you too, Mommy.
You're my special girl. Hello! Welcome to my kitchen. Time to wash some dishes. Nice and fresh. You look so beautiful, my dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
We're so proud of you. I love you both.
Oh, what's that? A toy for me! Yay! I love it! I'm so happy we're all together.
We are too, sweetie. Family is the best.
I love you.
Look, a rainbow.
Wow, it's so pretty.
It certainly is magical.
I love it. Yay, this is so much fun. Whee, look at me spin. Hee again.
Wow, look at the shadows. They look friendly, don't they?
Let's wave back. Hi, shadows.
Careful, sweetie. It's hot. It's all right, dear. Just let the steam rise.
It's like a little cloud.
What a beautiful day.
It is. I love it.
It makes us all smile. It really does.
Grandma, is that for me?
Of course, my dear. Come and have some. It smells wonderful.
Yay! Whee! This is so much fun! Yay! I love my playroom. Let's play!
I hope this turns out well. Let's get everything ready. It'll be perfect. I'm so glad we're all together.
Me too, Mommy!
It's always a blessing. The food is almost ready.
Yay! Wow, what is that?
That's a surprise, sweetie. Let's go see.
Yay, let's go!
Oh no, what a mess! I just cleaned this room. This is unbelievable. I can't take this anymore. Look at that beautiful rainbow.
Wow, it's so pretty.
It certainly is, my dear.
Wow, Grandma, is that magic?
No, dear, just hot tea. The best kind of magic.
Really?
I can't stop crying. Please, someone help me. I'm so scared. Oh no, what happened here? This is not what I expected at all. Where could it have gone? I'm so happy we're together.
Me too, this is the best. Let's make something special.
Come, sit with Grandma for some tea.
Okay, I love tea time.
Wonderful, dear. It's so nice. My dears, it's so good to see you.
We missed you, Grandma.
How are you feeling today? Much better now. Look how happy she is to see you.
Grandma, I missed you.
Go on, give her a hug. Oh, my dear.
Grandma, this tea is perfect.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. You chose the perfect blend.
This is the best day.
We're so glad you're here, sweetie. You make everything brighter.
I love you. Look, a shadow monster.
Oh dear, what is that? Now don't you worry.
Let's go see. Wow, a rainbow.
It's beautiful, dear. Just like you.
Can I have some tea?
Of course, sweetie.
Whoa, what are those lights?
Just a little kitchen magic, dear. Embrace the wonder, child.
It's beautiful. Let's bake cookies.
What a lovely idea. Yes, let's do it.
Yay, it'll be fun. This is the best day ever.
It really is, sweetie. I love our time together.
Me too, I love you. This is the best day ever.
It really is, sweetie. I love our time together.
Me too, I love you.